Hello everyone, I'm Neenu Roy from Pune Master Data Management team. Since I've joined Smith+Nephew, I've been really impressed how seamlessly the Master Data Management team works with its globally located stakeholders and customers. Master Data Management team here in Smith+Nephew manages all the aspects of data by providing actionable insights, reliable data, and maintains compliance with data governance rules and policies. We as a team is expanding every day, taking up more responsibilities and operating with a positive attitude to maintain the quality of the data. Talking about my team helps me to develop on my strengths and potentials. We exhibit care, collaboration and courage within our team, and this we do by learning together, innovating together and respecting each other professionally and individually. Thank you.